Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone camera blurry issue in iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution, you have wipe off the camera lens. Dirt dust along with the smudge on the iPhone's lens may make your device camera focus low and give problem while clicking pictures. Do not forget that each iPhone's camera follows some algorithm to get a correct focus while clicking pictures. So if the iPhone's camera lens is dirty, it will surely have problem while focusing and you will get blurry photos. So second solution, you have remove iPhone case. If you tend to use various trendy cases for your iPhone, well, we suggest you to take them off immediately and try clicking picture without the iPhone camera performance, which result in camera taking wrong decisions while taking pictures. Simply verify if the phone case is giving iPhone camera blurry problem by comparing the picture taken without iPhone case and then without phone case. Then third solution, you have quiet and reopen camera app. So you have while using the camera app, so then you have quiet and reopen on your iPhone. So if the cleaning tips do not solve your iPhone camera look blurry problem, you will know how to take some serious actions. Typically, your iPhone's camera must focus while taking picture intelligently. So then fourth solution is restart and force restart iPhone to fix iPhone camera blur. If the iPhone camera blurry after update, a problem is yet not solved, go for a simple restart. iPhone's operating system might be having some internal issue and is giving the iPhone camera problem. Here, a simple restart will help to solve your issue. In case restart does not help, go for a force restart. Follow below guide to force restart the iPhone and get your iPhone camera look blurry background console solved. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restarted. Then last solution, you have update iOS latest version. So you have open the setting and then you have scroll up, then you have click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you have must be installed on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.